Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Jensen. I just wanted to let you know about a new service I'm offering from the library. It's like DoorDash, but it's faster and free, and this is Spring Creek's Library Book Delivery. Mr. Dotson came up with a great name, Book Blitz, and I love it because we want to shower you with books. And I'm going to tell you how this works. So this form is attached to your teacher's Canvas. You can find it under their modules, or you can find it on the Spring Creek Student 2020-21 Canvas button. So you can find it either place, but all you'll do is you'll go in, you'll make sure to add your first and last name, make sure that last name's on there so I know who you are. If you know the title you want, you can simply type it here. Some of you may also know that you want the next book in a series, so you could say something like, I need the next book after Wings of Fire 4, okay? Or you could say, I need the next book after Novice. And that will be enough for me to know exactly what it is you need. Now, if you don't know the title you want, if you want me to pick that title, you need to continue on to the next two questions. So the next question says, what is the last book you read and loved? This is the question I will always ask you if you're in the library, and this lets me know a little bit about you and what you like to read. Another option would be select a genre you would like to read. And so you could select one of these, and then I'll select a book out of that genre. Lastly, I need to know if you are currently being quarantined or you're at school. If you're still in school, you would just mark that you're in school, and I'll look up the exact hour you're in, and I will deliver that book to you. If you are at home being quarantined, we'll make arrangements for you to pick up your books or have those delivered. Then you're going to go ahead and press send that to me, and I will deliver that just as soon as I possibly can. If you don't love the book, you have an option of bringing it back and we'll try again. But be sure to try out our new service, Book Blitz, at Spring Creek Library.